I, Sunil Rudra, welcome you all in this news bulletin of Saint Soldier Times. We bring you news and views from sports, education, health and culture. Coming to sports, Indian ace shuttler and Olympic medalist PV Sindhu expressed happiness at being selected as Team India's torchbearer at the opening ceremony of Commonwealth Games 2022 in Birmingham. The Indian Olympic Association on Wednesday announced shuttler PV Sindhu, a two-time Olympic medalist, as the flag bearer of Team India. Indian men's hockey captain Manpreet Singh will be the second flag bearer. Sindhu in a statement said that it is a great honor to be bestowed with the responsibility to lead the contingent and hold the flag at such an august gathering. She said she is extremely happy and wished all her fellow contingent all the best for the games. She thanked Indian Olympic Association for choosing her as the flag bearer. Coming to education, Anjali Yadav, who topped the CBSE Class 10 exam with 100% marks, has been awarded a scholarship of 20,000 rupees per month for 2 years by Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar. During a video call with Anjali's family, Khattar congratulated her for bringing laurels to the state and village. Anjali, a resident of Mahendragarh, scored 100% marks in 10th class. During the call, she told the Chief Minister that she wanted to become a doctor. An official statement stated the Chief Minister announced a scholarship of 20,000 rupees per month for Anjali for next 2 years after hearing about her financial situation. He also assured of all cooperation from the government in her studies. And coming to health, many studies have shown that loneliness has a negative effect on our well-being. Friendship has shown a positive impact on not only mental health, but it also has physical benefits. Effective friendship provides a strong sense of companionship, mitigate feelings of loneliness, and contribute to both life satisfaction and self-esteem. And there is a positive feedback loop, trusted source between social relationships and self-esteem. Each reinforces the other. So friendships boost self-esteem, trusted source, which is a protective factor for both physical and mental health. A 2010 meta-analysis of 148 studies looking at the data of 308,849 people in total found that participants with stronger social relationships had a 50% higher chance of survival over an average of 7.5 years than those without. All the evidence suggests that socialization benefits both our mental and physical health. But why? The key could be oxytocin. Oxytocin is a hormone and neurotransmitter produced in the hypothalamus. It is involved in childbirth and lactation, but is also associated with empathy, generosity, trusted source, and trust, all of which are key factors in friendship. One study, trusted source, found that oxytocin was vital for social recognition in rodents, and this effect was also seen in people. Another trusted source, where researchers administered oxytocin to people via nasal spray, found that this increased trust and made them more willing to accept social risks. Well, I think people may become more friendly after these revelations. And in culture, specially abled man rides a wheelchair to deliver food, wins heart online. A clip showing the man clad in food delivery company Zomato's t-shirt riding a wheelchair is viral on Instagram. A food delivery bag is also seen attached on the back of the wheelchair. He is seen riding through the busy street. The text in the video says, "Nothing is impossible. The world itself says I am possible." The clip posted by the Instagram account Roaming Bulls has gone viral and amassed more than 1,16,272 likes. Best example for inspiration. While many users praised the man, some also appreciated Zomato for giving the man a job. A user commented, "A salute to the service of Zomato for giving the job for differently abled." Another wrote, "Could not hold back my tears." This is all in the news bulletin today. Stay connected with Saint Soldier Times on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.